Whether you call them Class Bs, or B vans, or camper vans, these smallest motorhomes feature a lot of living into a very compact package. They combine all the comforts of home, including a bed, bath, and kitchen, with easy driving maneuverability and tremendous fuel efficiency. A camper van can go where most other RVs can't or shouldn't. Some, like the Winnebago Revel, are four-wheel drive, which makes them the ideal escape vehicles for getting way off the grid. Closer to home, you can easily park them on city streets, so some owners use them as a daily driver. And a camper van makes a terrific home base for attending events, kids' sporting activities, or anywhere you'd enjoy having your own private retreat. Winnebago builds more camper vans than anyone else in North America, and more are available with lithium-ion-based energy systems, which provides enough power to let you run all of your appliances even when you're not plugged into shore power, and there's no separate generator required. For the ultimate in flexibility and efficiency, a Winnebago camper van is the way to go. Now let's take a closer look at the Winnebago camper van lineup, starting with the Solus. The Solus is built on the Ram ProMaster chassis, powered by a 280 horsepower V6 gas engine. Its classic pop-top extension provides additional sleeping for two and a restful night's sleep thanks to the comfortable Froley sleep system. With its surf-to-slope design and two available floor plans, the 59P and the 59PX is sure to appeal to all types of adventurers. The 59P is available with a sofa bed or a fold-down Murphy bed that folds up out of the way when you're not using it. It also features a fold-down table on the flip side of the Murphy bed to create a workstation with a view when the rear doors are open. The 59PX is built on an extended chassis, so it's slightly longer. It also has the Murphy bed, plus a spacious gear storage area in the back with L-track mounting points to store bikes, outdoor gear, and more. Something families or adventurers will definitely appreciate. The 59PX also features a new and extremely quiet own-end generator that meets National Park sound requirements, as well as the Coleman Mach 10 NDQ air conditioner. Both floor plans include a dinette with automotive-grade seating and 3-point seat belts for more secure travel, which makes the Solus easier to use as a daily driver. Additional features include a 220-watt flexible solar panel that allows you to go off the grid and stay fueled. The one-panel system is fitted to the top of the pop-top roof for a sleek and unique look. We've also made water easy with features like our dual exterior wash stations, cassette toilet, simplified water panel, the easy-to-read freshwater tank sight glass, and the Eco hot water system, all designed to keep you on the go, stress-free. The Solus also offers premium ceiling-to-floor insulation, zipped air barrier window coverings, and interior coach water lines to keep the weather at bay and the sounds of the road out. Let's move on to our next camper van in the Winnebago lineup, the Travato. The Travato is the top-selling camper van in North America, and for 2022, we've made quite a few improvements. Built on the fuel-efficient 280 horsepower Ram ProMaster chassis, the 21-foot Travato is available in 4 floor plans. 2 of those floor plans feature our Pure 3 advanced energy system, which uses the same safe, dependable, automotive-grade technology that powers electric vehicles to give you all the power you need to camp without a generator or a hookup. Every floor plan is built with all-season roof and sidewall insulation, insulated flooring, above-floor water lines and heated tanks, and is available with dual-pane acrylic insulated windows for extended season camping. And all have the Truma Combi Eco Plus system for efficient heating. The 59G or GL with the Pure 3 system features a redesigned, lighter weight, and larger corner bed with our innovative new Wind Sleep system, which gives you a plush, cool, and comfortable sleeping environment. And the new dinette seat now has two 3-point seat belts for more secure travel. The 59K or KL with the Pure 3 system features our flex bed system that converts from twin beds to a comfortable queen bed, again with our new Wind Sleep system. And the bath has been upgraded with a new 2-piece sliding bath door, new lavatory, and shower faucet. Let's move on to something designed for hardcore off-roaders. When Winnebago introduced the Revel, we shook up the RV world with the first real off-road capable camper van built on the 4-wheel drive Mercedes Sprinter chassis. This year, we've upgraded and outfitted the Revel with a new lithium battery system, new heating system, and several interior upgrades. We also kept the main features that make the Revel so popular, including the power lift platform bed that transforms your living space into the ultimate gear garage, perfect for storing all kinds of outdoor gear, as well as the innovative wet bath that is easily configured to a gear closet. The latest edition of the Revel continues to break new ground with a redesigned galley, improved cabinetry, and a new interior. The Revel is available in 3 exterior colors, with and without graphics. It also features 2 125 amp-hour lithium iron phosphate batteries that can be charged with the rooftop solar panel, by shore power, or by the dedicated second alternator. This system provides over 3,000 watt-hours of usable power, enough to run the AC system when you need to cool down after a long hike. And the new hydronic heating system provides comfortable, quiet heating in even the most adverse conditions and is controlled by a user-friendly LED touchscreen that can monitor all the system's functions. The Winnebago camper van lineup also includes the Era, which started the whole Sprinter V-van revolution here in North America, and the Bolt, a year-round camper equally at home in the wilderness or the city.